Welcome board members to my very first monthly shareholder meeting. The name is kind of a joke, and yet it is not, because I see you as I said, board members. And this is for me to make a monthly review of my own channel. What have I done? How many subscribers do I have? And so on and so forth. And it is also an opportunity for you to chime in with some advice, critique, recommendations, whatever you'd like. I'm just here to see how it goes. And I want to build a community. That's the main thing about this channel. I really hope to one day build a community. To put it short, I'm here at your behalf. Sit down, grab some coffee, and let's talk. The main thing about my shareholder meetings is to compare myself to last month. But since this is the first shareholder meeting, that's kind of difficult. But I can do that next month. But at the time of recording this, I have 168 subscribers, and I'm happy for each and every one of you. I know that it doesn't seem like a lot, but the way I see that, if you put 168 people in a room who wants to see me paint, that's a lot of people. So I don't see them just as numbers like subscribers. I see them as actual people wanting to maybe not engage all of them, but at least watch some of my content. And I do appreciate that very much. So instead of looking back, I can look a bit forward. It's a new year after all, and that reminds me, a new year means a new army for me. I've begun collecting a brand new Bretonian army for Warhammer the Old World, and I had hoped to upload a tutorial on how to paint a Knight of the Realm in the service of Duke Maldred of Mucilon. But I'm not quite done with that video yet, so that will be for next month. But not everything I paint will be in front of a camera. I have painted this mausoleum in the colors of the Dukedom of Mucilon. I hope you like it. The main reason that I haven't been completing my Knight of the Realm video yet is because I have gotten a commission. I do offer commission services. You can just check my video description if you're into that. It's an opportunity for you to see your own miniatures being painted on my channel if you're interested. I'm not the kind of guy who checks out how many subscribers I have each and every minute, but I have noticed that during the last month or so I've been doing quite well, and I think I know why. I'm not really into making shorts, YouTube shorts, but they seem to attract a lot more attention than my long form video does. So I can either moan about that or use it to my advantage. So how I'm going to do this is continue a recipe that I have found very successful, and that is make a long form video, for example how to paint a certain kind of base, and then do the same video in short format, like a teaser, an appetizer for the long form video. That has worked very well for me. I've got a ton of views and quite a number of subscribers during the last month. I think 31 or so during January. So that seems to work for me, so I think I'll continue with that recipe going forward. So don't worry, I'm not going to be a shorts channel, but I will use from time to time shorts to promote my long form videos, which is what I'm all about, really. Like I said, it's not everything that I paint that goes up on my channel, far from it actually. I do paint a lot, I really do. But if I had to film and record everything and upload it to my YouTube channel, it will primarily be a Bretonian focused channel, and I don't want that. I want some variation from different game systems, not only Games Workshop, but primarily Games Workshop, but not only them. I'll paint anything I'd like, really. I'm not big enough to get miniatures sent by Games Workshop to paint for you guys, so I'll use that to my advantage and just say, hey, what do I want to paint now? Buy that, paint them up, and then I have a new video that I actually enjoy making, instead of feeling maybe kind of forced to it because, hey, it's the brand new thing, I need to paint this. So that's what I prefer right now, and I'm quite content with that. Also, I have some plans for this year. First and foremost, during this summer I plan to visit Warhammer World in Nottingham. I've never been to England before, so I very much look forward to that. And I'm in contact with some YouTubers who do the same content as me, and we are discussing maybe having a meetup. That could be fun, and maybe do a collab or something. I very much look forward to that. So expect a vlog about that journey. Also, sometime during this year, I don't know when, but during this year I want to make my very first battle report. I don't know which game system yet. It could be anything really, but I expect it to be one of the games that Games Workshop produce. But I've always wanted to try and film a battle report. I don't think it's easy, but I'd like to give it a go. So if you have any preferred game system you would like to see a battle report for, leave a comment. And if it goes well, I might make more of them. It could be, as I said, any game system. I don't have to focus on just one. So I like to, just like my painting videos, be open to whatever I'd like. Maybe I'll make a Warhammer 40,000 battle report one month and a Warhammer the Old World the next month. Who knows? It's up to you really, so please chime in. But don't you worry, my channel will always be primarily a painting channel. It's in the name after all. In January I primarily made some tutorials on how to make some different variant of bases. For example for the Darkwater set for Warhammer Quest. And I made an unboxing video or two and my very first reaction video. As I said in that video, I once was very much against reaction videos because I saw it as a way to make easy content by just stealing the work of others. But if you really have something to contribute to this video, then I think it's alright. I do follow a YouTuber called Vlogging Through History. It's not Warhammer related at all. It's about, well, history. And his success is primarily on his reaction videos. And I enjoy them too, very much. So a shout out to Vlogging Through History. If you're into that, check him out. I don't have much planned for February. Although I do want to paint up a unit of witch elves for Age of Sigmar, Daughters of Cain. It's not something I collect myself, I just want to paint them. And as I said, I'll paint whatever I like. And if you have anything you would like to see me paint, leave a comment. I don't care if it's the brand new model that Games Workshop just released or if it's something that's quite old. I'll paint it if I want to. And with that, there is not much further I can add because this is, as I said, my very first shareholder meeting. So next month I'll have an easier time comparing to where I am then compared to today and show my progress. And also hopefully get some feedback from you guys. That is what I really want. That's the main purpose of my shareholder meetings. It's a meeting, not a just listen to me talk video. But I've also decided that I would like to end my shareholder meetings by highlighting a channel that I like. It doesn't matter if it's someone with millions of subscribers or someone brand new. If I like them, I like to promote them here. So here is my very first promotion of a YouTube channel. Nerdy Miniatures. Nerdy Miniatures make painting tutorials like myself, which is what I came for, but it's the cozy livestream and friendly community that made me stay. Something I hope to build myself one day. The channel is run by Mrs. and Mr. Nerd, whom recently became parents. So that they even have the time to run a YouTube channel is commendable. I respect that. Being a father myself, I don't remember having much time to paint with a newborn in the house. But please do check them out. The community is great and the people behind the channel are wonderful. They make some interesting guides and variant of videos like myself. So if you're into painting tutorials, I guess that's why you're here on my channel, please do check them out. And with those words, the meeting is adjourned. Thank you for watching and happy painting.